Hey money makers, welcome back to Over Here We Craft for Money. I'm DJ Baby and it is time to Christmarize everything. That's right, I said Christmarize. My friend said that word on the phone to me yesterday and I fell in love with it. So that is what we are in. Christmarizing seasons. However, we're going to do it the cheap way because we ain't spending no extra money that we ain't got to spend. And we got these two little things right here and they make some beautiful things. So come along with me on this journey. My goal is to give you one cool, inexpensive craft a day for the next 10 days. Let's see how we do with day one.
All right, money makers, for this first wreath, you are going to need an 18-inch ring from the Dollar Tree, some ornaments, your hot glue gun, your favorite ribbon, and a little creativity. Oh, and don't forget your zip ties because that will also help stabilize your project. All right, so this one is pretty simple. You're just going to need a burlap ribbon, a big bolt of that I got from Hobby Lobby when it was on 50% off sale. And I am just wrapping it around an 18-inch wire wreath from the Dollar Tree. The ribbon, burlap ribbon, comes in multiple colors, but I wanted to go with something nice and neutral. It is a 2.5 inch wide ribbon. I tend to cut off large sections so that I don't have that big bolt getting all in my way. I have my little thumb protectors from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, I am just wrapping and overlapping the ribbon around itself and gluing where I feel it needs to be. I had that one little section left, so I went on ahead and cut that to size, and now the base of the wreath is done. I'll cut off that little bit of extra, and I still have plenty more left in case I want to make some more. Now that I have this all set up and done, what I want to do is get my little tie on there for hanging. I just took a wire Chanel stem and put a little of the ribbon behind it so it won't come off. Now I am removing the hooks from the sleeve of ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree. I have some small ones and some medium ones, and I'm just getting rid of those hooks because I will be gluing these down with hot glue. Now I'm kind of laying them out, trying to figure out where I want them to go. You can get as creative on this part as you want. I wanted something a little more minimal, and so that's why you see me doing that. I laid them out first, and then I decided to get my regular ruler and just make sure that I lay them out evenly. I couldn't help myself. I got in my head about it, y'all. I know how your girl is. Next, I just went on ahead and cut out my mesh. The mesh came from the Dollar Tree, and one roll of red and one roll of white was perfect for what I needed for my wreath. Again, you can be as creative as you want, and you can put as many as you want. All I'm doing now is creating some curls, one on each side, walking them up. I did a video on this at Thanksgiving showing you how to do this little method. So if you want to see the slowed down version of this, please go check it out. But now what you see me doing is just putting my zip ties up through the bottom of the wreath. I put my little curl of mesh in between, and I zip tie it to the wreath using what's underneath. This I found easier to do with the mesh because that hot glue will melt your mesh. And why not? I got zip ties. The one thing that I will tell you guys here is do not get the cheap Dollar Tree zip ties. They are too flimsy and you will just have more frustration trying to poke them through the mesh. So spend a little bit more and get yourself a sturdier zip tie. Doesn't matter what color because we're going to cover up and you won't even see them. So now I'm just going around and tightening them. Oh Lord, say that twice. Tightening them up and then clipping away what I don't need. Once I have them zip tied, I am going to put a dab of hot glue there just to make sure they do not come. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and fluff up a little bit. Now for me, it is all personal preference. I wanted some of my burlap to show through just because I like the look of that, but you can totally cover that completely. Next, I got me some more of those table scatters, again from the Dollar Tree. They came in white and silver, and I preferred the silver version just to give the wreath a little pizzazz. And I'm just hot gluing those down, covering up that zip tie. Now, again, you don't have to do this, and if you use a zip tie that's the color of your mesh, then you probably won't want to do this, but because I used what I had, which was green, I'm going to go ahead and cover them up so you don't see that. All in all, this project probably took me about 30 minutes, and that's just because I'm a slow crafter sometimes. But this is a nice, elegant, simple wreath, minimal projects, and look at that. Now she's ready for her ribbon, and I am just doing a simple crossover method for this particular bow because again, this wreath is very simple. We want to just get in and get out. So I'm going to do the layering method using a little bit of my floral wire. My hands are really bothering me this holiday season, y'all, so it was a lot easier to work with that floral wire than the regular hard wire I usually do. But once I finish those two bows, I lay them on top of each other. And now we're going to go ahead and use one more zip tie to put our bow at the bottom of our wreath, opposite of our little hook we made. Fluff her up a little bit, and baby, she is cute. I love her. She's simple, elegant, and for $8, look what we made. Oh yeah, I threw on that little Dollar Tree sign that I had in my stash, but honestly, it didn't even need it. But I put it on there because I had it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this one is a wrap. And I hope you will come back for tomorrow, day 2 of It Is Time to Christmarize Everything. I hope you enjoyed this. Share this video with a crafter who wants to see it or needs to see it. And don't forget to like it and even hype it if you don't mind because you're helping your girl's channel grow. I really appreciate you all. I'm so excited to share this holiday season experience with you. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you're going to try to make this wreath or some other cool holiday craft item. Share it with the money makers. We want to know what you're working on. And until tomorrow, day 2 of It's Time to Christmarize Everything. I will see you guys then. Bye, everybody.